I'm kind of wishing for an object show right now. Straw, no! Did someone say an object show? Ugh! The first challenge is to make teams. The last 2 teams to make a team will be up for elimination. Go! Well, obviously we're gonna be on the team, but who else should we pick? Maybe Birthday Card? He seems nice enough. Okay, hey Birthday Card, wanna join a team? I'm not binary, but sure. Alright, let's name our team. Wait, no, I didn't mean to say, it's safe. Vanilla ice cream, you're coming with us. Wait, but don't care. Alright, we're named, I don't know. Hold up. I know, it's safe. Tissue box looks down. Let's go form a team with him. Hey Tissues, wanna join our team? Okay. Alright, you got a name of my magnet? Clearly. 1, 2, 3. Pizza and pizzazz. What? Brow. And it looks like always connecting. It's the last team safe. You guys are a team, and you guys are a team. Choose your names. Team consonants, whatever. Really, banana? Let's be called pouring. Wait, no. This means that pouring and the consonants are up for the first elimination. This method is supposed to save. Get voting.